What's up, guys? Pat's Pick of the Week here. They hooked me up with a new mic. Telling you guys it's Pat's Pick of the Week. Got some cool stuff coming for you in 22. First things first, we're going to go over some battery maintenance. Now, you guys are pulling some bikes out of storage right now, and I can almost guarantee a lot of them are not starting. Your batteries are probably dead. You got some other things going on, maybe with your carburetor, this or that. We're going to tell you how to help maintain those batteries. I know we're probably a few months late, but this will at least help you for next year, and we'll give you some tips to get your battery going for this year. And if you do have a dead battery, you can always come see us. We got plenty on the shelf for you. All right, so first things first, we got our first tip. Boom! We got making sure our battery cells, which are underneath these pieces of red tape here, we're going to make sure those battery cells are full of distilled water. We're not going to use any other types of water. We're strictly going to use distilled water. And when we are filling those cells up or checking those cells, we want to make sure we don't overfill them, and we want to make sure we're only filling them at a full battery charge. So if your battery is under a full charge, we don't want to fill them. Next things next, just another tip on maintaining your battery over wintertime. We want to pull these batteries. If you don't have access to a battery tender, if you don't have access to a battery charger or a trickle charger, we want you to pull these batteries. So when you do pull them, don't just leave them on a concrete floor or out in your garage somewhere. We want them put into a non-conducive box. Non-conducive means essentially that the corrosion's not going to just start leaking out and getting all over your floor and messing everything else up, in layman's terms. So essentially a wooden box, a plastic box, something of the sort. Throw your battery in there, make sure it's at a full charge when you do, and then come springtime, open that box up, throw it in your bike. You should be able to fire the thing up. Now, last things last, we sell them here, and we absolutely support them. We suggest them, we recommend them. They start right around like 40 bucks. Battery tenders. If you put your battery on a battery tender, you can clip it in, leave it there. Don't even worry about it until springtime. Come back springtime, unhook it, fire your bike right up. It's going to keep your battery at just enough charge. It's not going to overcharge it, not going to undercharge it, going to leave it just good. So that was 3 quick tips on, essentially maintaining your batteries and keeping them fresh for springtime. But like I said before, I know we're a little bit late, and I know that maybe some of you guys are too late on those tips. So come on in. We got plenty of batteries available. Go see Gary, Scott, or Hank at the parts counter. They'd be more than happy to price one out, and if we need to, we can order you one. So thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you next week.